one of these in your hands, hold it up real high.
So we're celebrating local apples for Apple Month. We're here with our Lunch and Learn Lucky Tray Adventure at Codwell Elementary. Winner! We have our first winner! Yay! We always want to educate our students with the food right in front of them, so what better way to teach them about my plate with the My Plate meal, which is National School Lunch, right? So we get in front of them with their actual meal and we'll go over the My Plate diagram and let them know fruits and vegetables are important, and so are the other food groups. So we want them to know that nutrition is key when it comes to what they eat, and what better nutrition than local produce. So we're excited that we're actually able to partner with our local Texas farmers to have apples, fresh apples, on our menu this year.
Those apples y'all got on your tray came from a farm in Texas. Isn't that cool? We love apples!
And then also give them an education on the different varieties of apples. They might only be familiar with certain varieties of apples, so we're expanding their knowledge to all the apples that could be out there.